Hi, my name is Savari, and I'm here to talk to you today about using Microsoft Word to make reports. The same steps can be followed using Google Docs. Be different options, it'll look a little bit different, but you can still make the professional report using headings, contents pages, etc. Using Google Docs as well. So this video we're going to talk about adding a cover page, adding headings, adding page breaks for structure, adding a contents page, and adding a footer. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we want to add a cover page. So we click Insert, Cover Page. We've got a few options here. I like this one. Then you just need to fill out everything that's here. So pretend we're making an assessment task. I'll just go favorite food. And then what we're going to put in here is, so this document contains instructions and marking rubric for students undertaking the assessment task number 1 for Food 101. Okay, it automatically puts your name in down the bottom of the cover page, and you can add your email address as well if you like. And that's cover page done. Next up, we're going to start using headings. So to use our headings, we go click Home up here. We've got our heading options here. So heading 1, we can then go Task Instructions, and that is our main heading. We can then start typing up some details there. I've just put some gibberish just to sort of fill the page. What we can also do is we can have a secondary heading or a subheading, which could be something like your submission requirements. Okay, and then we can put that there, and there. Now, we want to put in the marking rubric. So it'll be back to heading 1. We'll put it just here. Now, we want to put this on a new page because whenever we start a new chapter or a new heading, a new idea, we want to put that down to the next page. Think of when you're reading a book or a textbook, the chapter never really starts halfway down a page. So we want to put that on the next one. Now, there's a few ways you can do this. You can just hold down Enter, which is one of the first things we might try and do. But the issue with that is that when you start to add more text back up here, when you're editing, it then pushes the heading down and then just creates more work for yourself. So a better way can often be to use what's called a page break. And so a page break is when the page ends and starts a new page. So we go Insert, Page Break, and there we go. Now it starts on the new page. So now we can add a whole lot more detail. Rolls over, and you can see that marking rubric is pushed down to the next page, which is good. It keeps it nice and structured and organized that bit better. We could do the same with our secondary heading if we wanted to, but if you don't mind, then that's fine because it's part of that higher up heading of task instructions. Okay, the next thing we want to add in is a contents page. So usually that's page number 2. So we'll come back up here. We'll left click there. We'll use our newfound trick, which is a page break. And the shortcut for that is Control Enter. And then here we've got our blank page. It's not on the Insert tab, it's on the References tab. And we go Table of Contents. You've got a few options here. You want to use one of the automatic ones so that when you click it automatically finds your headings and it tells you what page number they're on. One thing I will say is when you start to add further headings after you've added the contents page, you will need to click on the contents page and update the table. Update the entire table, and it will then go back through your document, find the headings, find the page numbers, double check it's all okay, and do all that for you. Okay. The last thing I want to show you is the use of footers and headers. So footer at the bottom of each page, header at the top of each page. In the footer, I always like to put my page number, and it will automatically tell you which page number you're on. Double click in the middle. Could put my name if it was a document that I was going to own. Because this is some instructions for students, I would just actually call it what it is. So assessment task 1, favorite food. And you can see it's kind of not staying center, so we can fix that. We'll go home, we'll center it to the middle there. And now we have our finished document. It's nice and professional looking. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.